You feel like you don't matter, feel like your life doesn't matter, get involved.
So the cafeteria.
The word beehive in Maori is translated honeypot.
Oh, really? Well, that's one of their favourite things, isn't it?
I laughed when they told me.
I rang up these guys earlier today, trying to find out the name of the NZ thugs that assaulted us.
Oh, yep.
Well, the one that tried to walk through me, there's a arrest warrant out for him up in Northland.
Good.
And the main one, thug number one, who's the star of Jenny, is the police don't have the correct address for him. Would you believe it?
Oh. Have it stoned.
I've got a belt on.
Should be okay.
One at a time?
You want to take the notes out and just stick it out and it gets lost in the shower. What's it?
Lighter.
Heavy? Yeah, one of those. No, I mean like strap and body? Yeah. Light ones there, okay?
My pen okay?
Just go straight through and out the other end. Doesn't damage them? No.
Oh, pen.
Well, this is now the top.
What's the top?
Yep.
What's wrong with the top?
Well, you're part of a group that's come to Wellington on. You've been here before. You've been here before. Yeah.
Once. There was 6 of us.
Top.
What's the top?
Yep.
What's wrong with the top?
Well, you're part of a group that's come to Wellington on. You've been here before. You've been here before. Yeah.
Once. There was 6 of us.
Okay.
Great.
Give me your names. Give me your names and then.
Yeah.
And then we'll go. Okay.
No idea.
Are you still doing tours?
We're still doing tours. Yep.
Never been here before.
Right, you want my details?
Hang on there.
You're dropping your money down the roller.
Well, they've got to have some money.
Yeah, that'll be cleaner's fees, is what I call that.
I'm sure they get paid more than that.
Where's my house key?
Under my jacket.
Under your jacket, darling. You got that?
How long are you in Wellington for?
Oh, actually, that's a
3 days.
question that you're entitled to ask me.
No, you're visiting Wellington, aren't you? Here you go.
I'll put my middle name to it. However.
I used to supply all my gear to you guys.
No. You here?
Where's your toilet?
On the left there.
How long are we here?
Do you want to put your name down?
Oh, okay.
Just hi to the wife and kids. Those climate change protesters out there today, aren't
Yeah, I've seen that guy with.
they? Are they? Every day?
Yeah, every day. Thank you. Just see tour desk over there, they'll help you out.
Awesome.
That way? Cool.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I didn't even realise you could go to the cafe.
Geez, the last time I was in here, Margaret Palmer took me to Bellamy a couple of times.
Thank you. So where do we put that? Just here somewhere, do we?
There's one more person. Where's the
Oh,
other?
he's gone to the toilet.
Oh.
And it's up those stairs, eh?
Up those stairs and I think it's over there.
So where do we put this on the out?
Came here with Damien last time.
I've never been in the place before.
Getting paid for it is great.
This is it up the stairs. That's where the cafe is. That's
Shane.
Steve Evans.
Oh, Steve Evans. Yeah, sorry.
Shane.
No, Steve.
Oh, is that Steve?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Here we go.
One more name.
Phil Watts. Phil.
Have you filled out this? Does everyone have to give their name when they come in? Everybody.
You've been here, I just need your name.
Does everybody do this?
Yeah, well, we have.
Everybody who comes in gives their
I'm
name.
just asking your names, please.
What if I say no?
You don't have to, then we can say you're not going upstairs.
So,
Do you want a copy or
the rules or
Do you want a copy or not, Phil? Come on,
Give
mate.
me your name, I know who you are anyway.
You don't know.
Okay.
Who are you?
Bye.
Who are you?
I'm Terry.
Terry who?
Yeah.
Terry Carr.
As long as your last name's not Ist, I'm happy.
I'm dealt with Mr. X.
Everybody's nice.
Nice guy, not a problem.
Not for a long time. I can't remember the last time I came in. Right, we're going to
Thanks, Terry. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Very good.
Oh, yeah. Probably the latest intel reports on you there, Phil.
Yeah. Database report.
Yeah. Don't forget that chip in the gut, mate. They already know where you are. Oh shit, he's heading in. Let Terry know. Get the pricks know.
I know. It's like on TV. They've got the earpiece.
Oh, of course.
They photo scan us before we come in while we're waiting outside.
That's all right.
By the time we get to the bloody conveyor belt.
Nothing to fear, nothing to hide.
Well, I do actually, because they're child image.
Yeah. Personally, for yourself. Jesus, that's a big bloody gherkin.
Hi.
Hot chocolate, mate.
Hot chocolate.
What do you want, Graeme?
Iced coffee, thank you.
Iced coffee.
Michelle?
Yeah, that sounds nice.
Iced coffee? Phil?
Yeah, iced coffee, yeah.
Phil wants iced coffee too, so make that 3 iced coffees.
3 iced coffee.
Yes, please.
They're not listening. Yeah.
Dropping your money everywhere, bro. Oh, bigger table. Quite a big place, isn't it?
You go. You probably want to go here. I'll
be
take
here.
the photo.